Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'll be going through the adventure variant here of xMod. I'll be going through the build process and just scrubbing the timeline here. So let's get started. Let me just fast forward a bit. Maybe that's a bit too much. Okay, so we've created the container here. We just copied it over and I made the inner walls here. So this is going to be the shower here on this side and then the bathroom on this side. And I decided to use the same layout for the adventure variant since it really saves space, so that's going to be very useful for a tiny home like this. So let's get moving here. So I made sure to use some patterning here on the front. It really helps out with the design of the house. So I just added these two blue stripes here and made sure the rest was gray. Again, these are 2x8 down here for the boarding. So let's just continue here. And this is just copied over, so let's move on. And let's go here. So I've made the front door here, and just like the other house, I've made these glass sections here. They look really cool, and I just feel like it's part of the xMod aesthetic. So let's continue. So this is going to be the door, I believe, for the back section here. Yep. So let's continue there. Okay, so here we have the door to the greenhouse in the back, and we have another window here, and we're going to continue the stripes here, as you can see. Okay, so here I just wanted to point out the concrete slab here. This is actually great for heat conservation here, so this concrete slab can retain the heat absorbed from the sun and actually heat up the greenhouse and create a great environment for the plants. So let's move on over here. Right here. So we have a glass roof here all the way and some glass sidings. And I made sure to have this at a slanted angle here, so if there was any rain coming off from the solar panels, they can just go on down to the rain collection. And here we have the legs of the greenhouse tables. There's the greenhouse table. I really like the whole looping around effect here. So I left a bit of space here for maybe a small cabinet where you can keep some supplies. And here we have our watering system here. So this water would come out of the tanks in the ground from the rain collection, and it would actually be automatic. So we would have a pipe over here, which I'm going to create in a minute. So let's move on. There we go. We have a pump that pumps all the way over here, and then gravity just does the rest. So we have some chutes here that sprinkle the water over the plants, and that goes along the whole length of the sprinkler system here. And then we have our solar panel roof here. I don't have any textures here in Fusion 360, but you'll surely see those in the animation. So let's keep going. So the solar panels are angled both ways here for sun. So the sun can actually be focused on the solar panels either direction. And it also makes a great roof for the rain collection. So the water will just pool here into the gutters and then down into the drain. So like the urban variant, the gutter is slanted at an angle so that the water will just flow here to the other side. And then on the gutter, we just have a pipe that goes down to the underground storage. and then just mirror that onto the other side here. So I hope you enjoyed, and check out the animation if you haven't done already. So see you.